On number 10, the Dassault Rafale. The fighter jet developed by the French company Dassault is a multi-role fighter. The fighter jet first entered service in 2001 and ever since has been regarded one of the best military aircraft in the world. Number 9. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, developed by McDonnell Douglas and later on by Boeing. The F-15 is still produced, but Boeing is set to end the production of F-15 in 2022. Even though it was delivered more than 35 years ago, the F-15 is still considered as very capable fighter in the air. It's still operated by 4 countries. On number 8, JF-17 Thunder. The JF-17 Thunder or the FC-1 Xiaolong is a multi-role combat aircraft developed by a joint operation between China and Pakistan to provide the Pakistan Air Force with a cheap and modern alternative to its aging and a large fleet of various fighters, bombers and interceptors. Because of this, the JF-17 is going to become the backbone of the PAF. On number 7, HAL Tejas fighter jet. The HAL Tejas is an Indian fighter jet that is replacing the MiG-21, which the Indian Air Force has been using since 1964. Pilots praise the HAL Tejas for its high maneuverability. Production on the 4th generation Indian jet fighter began recently due to the fact that the program struggled to obtain an operational clearance. Number 8. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The first generation fighter jet in the world, the F-22 Raptor entered service in 2005. The United States government cancelled the Raptor in 2011. Even though it was a critical part of USAF, the United States Air Force, the rising development and maintenance cost, lack of air-to-air mission put an end to the production of the jet. Number 6. Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin. The first Shinshin flight took off in 2016 and after successful tests, Mitsubishi started producing the aircraft. The X2 is a predecessor to the F3, a 6th generation fighter jet. The Japanese are going to produce the F3 from 2027. Number 4. Xinjiang FC-31. FC-31 or the F-31 is the second 5th generation fighter jet that is going to be introduced into the Chinese Air Force. Although less advanced than its counterpart, the Chengdu J-20 is still a very capable fighter jet. The exact specification remains unclear for anyone that is outside the Chinese military. Number 3. Chengdu J-20. The best Chinese fighter jet. The Chengdu Aerospace Corporation introduced the J-20 in 2017 after more than 20 years of development. It first flew in 2011. There was quite a few changes to the design of the aircraft after the first flight took place, namely a new intake, new stealth coating and a new design of the vertical stabilizer. Sukhoi Su-57, developed by Sukhoi company. The Su-57 is going to become the most technologically advanced Russian fighter. It's the first fighter jet to tick every box in the list of 5th generation fighter features. Compared to the F-35, the Su-57 only cost the Russians an estimated $10 million to research, develop and prepared for production. Number 1. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. United States Air Force introduced the newest fighter jet in 2015. The F-35 has 3 main variants with difference in their landing capabilities. The estimate cost of the F-35 program is mind-blowing. The US government spent a whopping $1.5 trillion on the fighter jet.